increase and decrease. I will meditate day and night every second, every minute. I and the pilot and all who want this plane shall be like the tree that plant among the rivers of the swamp. Shall hear for the fruit in its season. Who leave does not with and whatsoever I do, most of you never surely prosper. Not so with the ungodly, no, there shall never be. There shall be like the child that prison and rose and a boat drive at away. Therefore the ungodly shall never stand in I judgment of this plane and I send of the righteous. Call on this plane, put out us and pray to the Almighty God of Rome, the God of Christ and the God of Justice. While the King Celestia and the earth will have governed what we have the righteous. But we have the ungodly and evil and wicked and cruel man, most and will forever show the praise. So bless all the people that walk away for we in Jamaica and all the pilot, all who play on the plane. Give the plane wheel out the door. Put everything in the place while the King Celestia and the earth, the God of Rome, the God of Christ and the God of Justice. In spirit, God is there in truth. Ja!